Hello everybody and welcome back to the Tech Team. Okay, so in today's video we are going to do kind of the last tutorial on classes and objects, but this is not a tutorial only in classes and objects because you are going to see. So if you know a little bit about other programming languages, you would know that we have two really important words: private and public. Okay, so we can put this private in a variable, for example, and this public in a variable. What a public variable is a variable that you can use everywhere in your code, and you understand what a private variable is. So what can we do right here? For example, we are going to create a private class and then a class that is not private, a public class. So because in Python we can't say that this is a private class, or this is a private variable, or this is a private function, we need to make other people know that this is a private function. We can't create a private function, but if we want our function to be private, so if we don't want other people to change our function, we are going, or our variable or our class, we are going to name it with an underscore right here. So I'm going to name this class underscore dog. So let's actually create this class. We have our init, self.name equals name, and self.age equals age. And now we are going to create our speak function or method, whatever you want, and we are going to say, we're going to print, self.name and I am self.8 years old. So right now I can just really simply call this function with just this underscore, and I can change this function if I want. So I can say dog and when I run the program, your name is Dennis and I am 13 years old. So you know that's not creating the class private, but when you put that, when you put that, you're just telling to someone, don't mess with this class, don't do anything with this class, just let it as it is. And right now you can see we have this method right here, the speak. We can create it public as well, and we can create another function with just being speak like that. When I run the program, we are going to get hey, because right here we're saying speak and we have named this variable this method speak. But I can do something like that, and I can also change this method. So when I run the program, you can see your name is Dennis and you are okay, I know and you are okay. But yeah, that's really what a private class and a private function really is. Actually nothing. You're just telling to other developers, don't mess with this class or with this function or with this variable. You can do something like that, for example. Sorry. num1 plus num2. Okay, so you're just calling the variable with another name, but you're telling, as I said, to other developers, don't do anything with these variables. So yeah, that's really it with classes and objects. Of course, we're going to create more intermediate tutorials, and after we finish the intermediate, we're going to have some advanced tutorials and other tutorials after that. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you all guys in the next video. Goodbye.